Hello, in this video we'll show you how to add a blast to MetaMask wallet. Now it's an extremely easy process. So what you have to do is just simply open your browser, then just simply go to a website called Chainlist. Now go to the first link and then right over here just simply connect your MetaMask wallet by choosing this option. Then just simply search for blast. After that you will be able to see your blast mainnet right over here. All you have to do is click on add to MetaMask and then just simply click on approve right over here. Then click on switch network and it's done. Now, this is the automatic process. There is also a manual process if you want to do it. All you have to do is just simply search for blast network. And then just simply open the first option right over here. So wait for a few seconds and then you should be able to see details something like this. Now, once you have this type of data, go back to MetaMask. Then go to the network option, click on add network. And now, in order to add the data manually, all you have to do is just simply click on add network manually and then just simply fill up the details like network name, RPC URL, chain ID, etc. And you will be able to see all of them right over here. As you can see, network name, just simply fill it right over here. The endpoint RPC, again, copy it, paste it right over here. Then the chain ID and the symbol will automatically appear. Then click on save. And it will automatically add, as you can see right over here. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.